Hello, I'm Ciara and I'm here at the Ciara and Media conference at Northwest Regional College. We're learning from industry professionals in film, TV, animation and journalism and more. Come follow me and we'll check out today's event.
My name is Aidan Lynch. Today I attended Making It in Media. I also attended the short talk on funding for film and media presented by niscreen. They offered lots of great advice in pathways into the industry, specifically about what niscreen have to offer, the companies that you can work with, the things that you can do. I found this workshop very fascinating and I think it's really going to help me in the future.